Delayed ejaculation. What is the real cause of delayed ejaculation? It doesn't matter so much about whether it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. It's about the fact that we're struggling to be able to climax when we want to. If you are experiencing this, if you can relate to it, as men, most of us, if not all of us, experience this on and off at some points in our life, but some of us continuously experience this. If that's you, you're in the right place, because here, there is no shame, okay? This is a safe place to talk about whatever may be going on. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing the 3 main causes that I see the most often for delayed ejaculation. If this video is helpful for you, in the bottom right-hand corner, you will see a button that says subscribe. Click on that button so that you can get the latest brand new tools and videos as I share them. Let's begin with cause number 1 for delayed ejaculation. Now, we're putting to the side things like drugs, smoking, alcohol, okay, because that's a given that those kind of things are going to be impacting our sexual function. I'm going to go for the stuff we often don't hear as much about. Number 1 is our mindset, okay? A massive proportion of delayed ejaculation is down to what is going on in our mind. Thoughts like, what if it happens again? What if I can't satisfy them? What are they really thinking about me? This is more performance anxiety, and I'm going to talk more later about the 3 performance anxiety quiz that you can take if you're experiencing similar thoughts. You'll also find the quiz in the comments below. The second thing is the actual relationship and connection with the person. Okay, how often are we investing time in intimacy, or is it something that over the years has just become last on the shopping list or close to last on the shopping list, and we're expecting ourselves, we have these expectations in our mind, or we should be able to have sex once a week or 3 times a week, and when I'm doing that, you know, I should be able to climax. There's a lot of shoulds, and so we're expecting ourselves to be able to just perform, to be able to just go from 0 to 100. So if you can relate to any part of that, if the relationship has seemed to turn more platonic or more like friends living together, although it may feel like, yeah, we've got a great bond, a solid bond, what's the intimacy like? How much are we working on the intimacy? And this is not just sex, okay? The things like, when did we last hold one another? When did we last tell each other how much we appreciate one another? When did we last find out new things about each other and have fun together and belly laugh? These types of things are the indicators of intimacy. When this is lacking, this absolutely leads to challenges in the bedroom. It's just logical. And the third thing is context. This is so important and is often something that we don't even think about. The context in which we're having sex or intimacy really matters. Let me explain this one. Have there been times where things have gone to plan and you've had a great, memorable sexual experience? Yes is usually the answer to that. And have there been times where things haven't really gone to plan and you've struggled to climax or haven't climaxed at all, or just you haven't had the type of experience that you wanted to? Yes is also the answer to that. Why is that? Why have we had times where things have gone to plan and it's been okay, and times where they haven't? It's because of the context in which we're having sex. Think about those 2 memories, and the likelihood is that there's some clear differences in the setup between them. Whether that is you spend time together during the day, or there wasn't any kind of time pressure, or it was over a really nice relaxed weekend where you were in a different environment together, or it was at a different point in time where there was less stress. And then look at the other memory of where things didn't go to plan. Were we building up and spending time together before, or did we just expect ourselves to go from 0 to 100 miles an hour? Were there other things that were going on at that point in time? And then when we have an experience that doesn't go to plan, we start to say to ourselves, oh my God, what if that happens next time? What if it happens again? And then we're in the moment and we think, I remember what happened last time. What if it happens again this time? What if they're not satisfied? And you see this loop is then created. What we don't want to happen then starts happening. I mentioned performance anxiety because so much of this is to do with our mindset. If you can relate to any of what I have just been talking about, below in the comments you'll see the link to the performance anxiety quiz. This is a free quiz that I'd like you to take right now if you can relate to what's been said. It's 10 yes or no questions that you answer, and this will show you, is this performance anxiety or is it something else? And what to do about this so you can start getting it fixed. When you click on the link, it's going to take you straight to a page where you start answering the questions, and I will see you right there.